Hi there, this is David from Fused. This video will explain to you how to add a fused.com powered email address to Mozilla Thunderbird. We're going to make a couple of assumptions here. For starters, I'm going to assume that you've already created an email account and that you have that password handy. If you haven't already, the first link in the description below will be an instructional video on how to do that. You can pause this video in the interim and return to it if that's the case. If you're ready, let's get started. We're also assuming that you've already installed Thunderbird. If that's not the case, there's instructions in the description below. For those of us with it ready, hit Windows or the Windows key, type in Thunder, launch it. Now, I've already utilized Thunderbird, so my screen is a little bit different than yours, but you should see this exact pop-up. This pop-up is asking for three details: our name, email address or email account, and the password. Let's populate those. Now, if you don't happen to have one of those details, for example, your password, we'll put a link in the description below on how to reset that. For those of you who do, let's hit continue. Now from here, Thunderbird is asking whether or not you would like to use IMAP or POP3. I won't go into great detail, but the gist is in 2020, you should probably use IMAP by default. It allows synchronization across multiple devices easier, and most of us have multiple devices. We're going to hit done if we're ready. And after a moment or two, possibly 10 seconds, it's going to connect and we'll see our account ready to use. It's now asking us whether we want to use Thunderbird as a default client for email, and that we do. So hit set and you're good to go. One final thing before you get too far is we're going to open this menu in the upper right. We'll go to Options, Account Settings, and you'll be able to set a couple of things here, one of which is your signature text. In addition, you can change other settings here. For example, your reply to address, your organization, as well as your name. This is handy knowledge in case you need to manage multiple accounts later on. I hope this video has been useful to you. And as always, you can navigate to fused.com in a browser and use the support menu in the upper right to connect with us. Thanks, and have a great day.